Welcome to Mailware Multi Channel Manager. This section covers our report center. To get to your reports, click the Reports tab, and here you'll see all the reports that are available in Mailware. There's over 100 that are pre-built, and you can create or edit your own. You can open any report simply by clicking on it, and it will open up ready to go. You can also get help on a report by clicking the help icon on the right. This will show you information about the report, related reports you can click on, and a thumbnail preview so you can see what a report looks like without running it. You can browse through reports and learn more about them and see exactly this information on each one. In addition, you can easily search for a report by typing any information that may appear in the report name. So you go directly to reports that are in Mailware, and it takes you to the same screen. From the screen, you can even launch the report. So it's very easy to find and use the reports you need. In addition to the search and browse, you can simply scroll down through reports if you like, or you can use the filters. I just want to see, for instance, inventory reports. And then these reports are in sections: operations, labels, management reports, so it's even more intuitive. And you can jump right to those if you like. Here's our product export report. Turn off the filter so we can see all reports again. In addition to these categories, we have a category called Custom. Any report that you create will automatically appear here so that you can easily run it and find it. And it's right there at the bottom whenever you need it. Finally, there's a very nice help tutorial on using the report writer. Many of our customers spend a lot of time in the report writer because it's a powerful tool and gives you a lot of information. The help file will tell you how to use the reports, how to modify and create your own reports, and other reports tips and tricks like adding prompts, changing logos, editing the invoice. There's a lot of information in these tutorials. It's easy to find. It's right here under the help icon at the top. When you open any report, if it has a prompt, it will prompt you, of course, and we'll put in a nice long range. In this case, we have an invoice that's open, and you can see the invoices. There are several of them. This is the display view. This is what it looks like when it prints out. We have a layout section where you can edit this information. Make it a little bit larger so we can see what we're working with. In the edit mode, it looks very much like the final mode. And here you can drag fields around. Add your own if you like. There's a nice little page designer that pops up. And from the page designer, you can drop images, lines, circles, labels, anything you like. In addition to fields that come in from the report, you can drag in anywhere you like. The customer's name, the order number. Any field in here can be changed to any font. Frequently used item is to drop the order number and then change it to a barcode font. And we provide one that comes with the program. Barcodes can be wanded directly in, used with things like UPS WorldShip, FedEx Manager. We can print labels when you receive inventory that go on your products. The report writer is very flexible. In addition to printing a full page report like this, it can also print a label report. So you can create labels, and you can choose from lots and lots of different Avery formats. Or you can specify your own settings and create your own labels. The layout design is drag and drop, very intuitive, easy to use. There's also a section where you can define the query, which is if you're a programmer or you like to work with reports, or if you've ever had experience with Access, you should find this very familiar. This is where you add tables to the top and you drag fields down below. So here's our orders table. We can drag the order number down. The order number has information about it, including whether it's sorted. We can put filters on it. You can even do custom expressions, including SQL. So a common use, for instance, is get date range, which allows you to specify a date range prompt. We can also create anything. Here's a filter that looks to make sure that the invoice is true. We can also create any prompt we want by simply entering it in square brackets. So this says square bracket, enter the beginning, order number, click OK for all, square bracket. It's a very flexible tool, worth learning if you'd like to create your own reports. If you're not interested in learning how to make reports, we offer it as a service. They'll appear automatically in that custom section that I showed you before, so we can easily create reports, send them to you, and they're immediately available. They can also be shared on our Mailware forum if you'd like to share them with other users. And if you do not want to take the time to go through learning the reports and using ours, it's easy to find them in this list using the search and the other tools that we've shown you. It's a great tool. It's one that you'll find yourself using frequently. And that concludes the report center and report system part of this tutorial. Thank you.